Growing your hair will be so much easier and faster with these tips I will be sharing with you today. I'll be giving you 10 secrets on how to grow long, healthy hair. And without wasting much time, let's dive right in. Use the right hair products. Using products that suit your hair type and hair porosity can help change your hair growth scheme. Determine if your hair is dry, oily, coily, straight, or sensitive. And also know your hair porosity to help you get the right products for your hair. You can use this method to know your hair porosity. Choose shampoos, conditioners, and styling products formulated for your specific hair type. And look for products free from sulfates, parabens, and alcohols that can dry out your hair. 2. Gentle washing. Overwashing can strip natural oils from your hair, leading to dryness and damage. Wash your hair once or twice in a week and avoid using hot water when washing your hair, as it may cause flakiness. Use warm water when washing your hair because warm water allows the cuticles of your hair and pores on the scalp to be opened. And warm water also gets all the products out of your hair when you're done washing. 3. Deep conditioning or hair masks. Deep conditioning helps nourish and hydrate your hair, keeping it strong and healthy. Here are some types of hair masks that you can implement in your hair care routine. These hair masks are suitable for different types of hair. How to apply your hair masks. Create small sections and apply the hair mask starting from the roots along the length of your hair. Make sure to coat all your hair with the product and allow it to sit for a minimum of 20 minutes or more for deeper conditioning. Wash your hair after 20 minutes with warm water. 4. Scalp care. Having a healthy scalp is essential for strong and healthy hair growth. You can massage your scalp regularly with your fingertips to stimulate blood flow and promote hair growth. You can do this while bending your head to increase blood flow. And also, use a gentle shampoo to keep your scalp clean and free of buildup. And occasionally, use a scalp scrub to remove dead skin cells and improve scalp health. Avoid tight, suffocating hairstyles. Having tight hairstyles can be suffocating and cause stress and breakage, leading to hair loss over time. You should opt for loose hairstyles and avoid tight ponytails, braids, and buns. You can use soft hair ties such as fabric-covered elastics and avoid metal clips and rubber bands. And also change your hairstyles regularly to prevent stress from the same areas of your hair. 6. Trimming your hair. Trimming your hair regularly helps prevent split ends and breakage, ensuring that your hair grows healthy. You should trim your hair every 3 to 5 months and visit a professional stylist who can trim just the ends without taking off too much length. But if you don't want to go to a stylist, then you can trim your hair yourself or get a family member to do it for you. Be careful when trimming your hair and use good hair cutting scissors to avoid unevenness. 7. Avoid heat. Excessive heat from styling tools can damage your hair and lead to hair breakage. Always apply a heat protectant spray before using blow dryers, coiling irons, or straighteners. And if you can't afford a heat protectant spray, then let your hair air dry instead of using a blow dryer. 8. Minimize chemical treatments. Regular chemical treatments such as perming, relaxing, and coloring can cause damage and weaken your hair. Instead of regularly coloring your hair with chemicals, think about using natural coloring techniques like henna and herbal rinses. If you must color your hair, use gentle ammonia-free dyes and get expert assistance to prevent further damage. 9. Eat the right foods. Eating a balanced diet that is rich in vitamins and minerals helps support hair growth and health from the inside out. Focus on eating foods that are high in protein, biotin, vitamins A, C, and E, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. Examples of these foods include eggs, spinach, berries, fish, nuts, and seeds. 10. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for your overall health, including the health of your hair. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and eat fruits and vegetables with high water content, such as cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges. Here are some additional tips to help you grow a long, healthy hair. Sleep on a silk pillowcase. Silk pillowcases reduces friction, preventing hair breakage and frizz. Use effective hair growth masks like rice water, fenugreek seed, cloves, rosemary leaves, or aloe vera gel. Choose anyone that is suitable for your hair type. Avoid overbrushing your hair. Brush your hair gently to detangle it, but avoid excessive brushing, which can cause hair breakage. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and also comment your favorite hair care routine so others can benefit from it. And see you in my next video. Bye.